In the next 30 days, you can either keep watching AI videos or build an income system that actually pays you. This is the blueprint. Why most people fail.
Most beginners fail for one reason. They try everything at once. They would
Start YouTube, open Etsy, try freelancing, learn automation, and finish nothing.
retention hook. By minute 15, I'll show you the exact structure that prevents burnout. The AI income pyramid.
AI income works best in layers. Layer 1, fast cash. Layer 2, scalable assets. Layer 3, high-ticket leverage. You don't start at the top, you build up. Week 1, Bobby's Fast Cash Foundation. Week 1 is about momentum, not perfection. Focus, freelancing, or content repurposing. Example, Fiverr, Upwork, ChatGPT.
Step plan. Day 1-2, create profile. Day 3-4, send 10 proposals daily. Day 5-7, deliver first job.
Income goal, $100 to $300. Mini motivation. The first $100 changes your belief system. Build your asset. Hook. This is where you stop trading time. Focus.
Digital products, OR YouTube. Example, Canva, Etsy, YouTube.
If digital product, create 5 products minimum. If YouTube, upload 3 long videos plus 5 shorts. Most people quit here because results aren't instant. Just because you don't see growth, hashtag, doesn't mean it's not happening. Week 3, repeat, scale, and systemize. This is where it becomes serious. Introduce automation. Example, Zapier. Build, email list, offer bundles. Raise prices slightly. Add simple math breakdown. Example, $19 product equals 5 sales day, 95 day. Add high ticket layer. Now we add leverage. Ghostwriting or automation service. Example, LinkedIn. Goal 1 client at $1,000 per month. You don't need 100 customers.
You need to stop thinking small. The biggest mistake.
The biggest mistake isn't lack of skill, it's inconsistency. AI rewards speed, volume, iteration, not perfection. Future vision. Imagine 12 months from now, you have recurring income, digital assets, clients, skills. AI didn't replace you, it multiplied you. Binge momentum, tease part 5. In part 5, I'll show you how to turn this into $10,000 per month with positioning and authority. Comment 30 days if you're committing, subscribe.
Building your identity, the hidden multiplier.
Now here's something nobody talks about, that you don't build income first. You build identity first. And stop saying, I'm trying AI. Start saying, I run an AI-based business. That small shift changes how you work, how you price, how you show up, how consistent you are. AI rewards operators, not dabblers. And this next concept is what separates $500 earners from $5,000 earners. Stacking skills. AI income grows when you stack skills. Writing, automation, design, marketing. YouTube plus affiliate sales. Ghostwriting plus lead generation. Most beginners stop at one skill, but stacking makes you rare. Rare, higher income. Example, if you can write AI content and design in Canva and optimize SEO, you're 3 times more valuable than someone who only writes. Building recurring income, the real goal. One-time income is good. Recurring income changes your life. Ways to create recurring AI income.
Monthly content packages, ongoing ghostwriting clients, membership communities,
Subscription digital templates. Retainer automation services. One $1,000 month client for 12 months each $1,000 without finding 12 new clients. Leverage. Let's be honest. You might not see massive results in 30 days, but here's what 30 days gives you. Skill, confidence, momentum, first proof of concept.
The real growth happens in months 2 to 6. And here's the part nobody tells beginners.
Why most people quit before it works.
Growth is invisible at first. Views low. Sales slow. Replies ignored.
Growth going flat before rising. A plateau, then a strong recovery. The growth continues its ascent. But this is the testing phase. AI income is iteration-based. Upload, improve. Refine, repeat. This compounding effect hits later. The real goal is not one hustle. It's an ecosystem. Example. If YouTube brings audience buys digital products, some become clients. Automation increases efficiency. Email list builds long-term leverage. Now you don't depend on one platform. You built a system. Future positioning. In 2026, AI is still early, but by 2028, the people who started now will dominate. You won't be a beginner anymore. You'll be positioned. Final close extended version. Comment building if you're committing to 30 days. Watch part 3 again if you need clarity on which model to start. And in part 5, I'll show you how to position yourself as an AI authority and charge premium rates. We're not chasing trends. We're building systems.